Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the idiom, shoot for the moon. This phrase is widely used in English, and in the next 3 minutes, we'll explore its meaning, origin, and provide you with some examples to help you understand how to use it in everyday conversation. Shoot for the moon means to set very high goals or ambitions. It encourages aiming for something extraordinary, even if it seems nearly impossible. The idea is that by aiming high, even if you fall short, you'll still achieve something significant. The idiom, shoot for the moon, is believed to have been inspired by humanity's fascination with the moon and space exploration. While the exact origin is unclear, it became popular during the 20th century, especially around the time of the space race in the 1960s. The phrase symbolizes aiming for something as distant and seemingly unattainable as the moon, encouraging people to dream big and strive for excellence. Let's look at 5 simple sentences using shoot for the moon to understand how it's applied in different contexts. Example 1. When it comes to your career, don't settle for less. Shoot for the moon and reach your full potential. Example 2. Teachers often tell their students to shoot for the moon when it comes to their studies, encouraging them to aim for top grades. Example 3. As an entrepreneur, you should shoot for the moon with your startup ideas. You never know how far you can go. Example 4. The coach told the team to shoot for the moon this season and aim for the championship title. Example 5. If you're writing a novel, shoot for the moon with your creativity. Don't be afraid to push the boundaries of your imagination. In summary, shoot for the moon is a powerful idiom that encourages us to set high goals and dream big. By aiming for extraordinary achievements, we push ourselves beyond our limits and often end up achieving more than we ever thought possible. So, next time you're setting a goal or embarking on a new project, remember to shoot for the moon. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite idiom or any suggestions for our next video. Keep dreaming big and see you next time.